Hi you guys, today I'm going to be doing another slime. Last video I showed you guys this slime. I still have it. And today I'm going to show you this slime. It's same mold and so yucky. It's the same, but I'm just showing you in close up because you guys probably don't know what it looks like outside of them. So, same looking, weird. So, I like this. It's like super cookie though. You can like roll it on the table. Or you could keep it in your hands and just play with it all day. And when you squeeze it, it's so funny. It like feels like jello. It like breaks on his hand. So I gave these scores when I tried them out today. Well, last video. I gave scores when I tried them out. So hopefully you like that. And also I keep on laughing because this slime feels so good. Now it's time to do the unicorn slime on this video. So I'm going to put it back in, but I'm also going to keep it like that. Kind of falling out of the container. And then we will do one more slime. And then I will show you something. I'm not going to mix it together. So I'm going to be showing you them all at the same time. And because I don't want to ruin these slimes, some are so beautiful. So, you go. Put that on the lid. Do you know it's like leaking on my table? Okay, here's the last one. It's the unicorn one. And remix it. This is so feeling weird. So it's stuck onto the lid. This I can get it better. I'm sorry. Just it's so funny. I don't think you can hear it on camera on the phone, but it's too good. I don't know if you can hear a watery sound, but it's pretty watery. And then I have lights on my table, so them are like so. It's so fun and I love it. So it's gonna be okay. But I also really love this slime. It keeps together nicely in this mold. It's a unicorn. I love it. I'm also going to show you the molds a little bit later. Like, I have two mermaid molds, but really them came in different colors. The unicorn one came in one, born old brown. So here is the unicorn one. It's so born old brown. Right in my hands. I don't know how jiggly you can see, but really, I will show you how jiggly these are also. It's that jiggly. I want to show you this one. I'm just going to put a little bit in there because I'm still. I don't know if you could hear the water, but there was watery sound. So, does it change my hand color? And Definitely, I don't want to wear this. It's cold. It's like these warmed up in the sun. This one is still a little bit cold. This one is a tiny bit cold. This one, I think this one is, wait, these all are warm. These are all warm. I don't know why, but that just warmed up under my lights. So, okay. Okay. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna show you why this. I can't get off the lid. I gotta take that out. Alright, good. Also, why does that keep on sticking to the lid? And and 1, 2, 3. Here them all are. And I want to show you guys this. The containers look completely awful. Wait. I'm going to put them together. Just like that. You can see which one goes with which. Honestly, I like these slimes. Some form so well in these containers. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like to mix the slimes. So, I'm just going to mix them a little bit because I don't want to ruin these slimes. You actually can't mix them. You can't mix them. What the heck is that for? You can't mix these, Mom. You can't mix these, so I guess I won't be mixing them. So, here you go. Okay. There's the ones. Wait. Doesn't matter. Switch. Okay. Here them are. I love these. Them actually stick together. Let's try and mix them one more time. Like, you can take them off. I don't know why. It feels so weird. You can take them off. This one goes here. Wait. Okay. So, okay, bye you guys. Comment down below which slime was his favorite. Unicorn, mermaid, or blue, or the mixed colored mermaid. See you guys next time to see another slime video.